Yes, I will show you how to eliminate your belly fat overnight with this incredible emergency diet. Experts around the world claim that this emergency diet works great with amazing speed. This diet plan is perfect for those who don't have time for regular workouts, and it is particularly useful for people who have some important event, but don't have enough time to lose extra weight. This diet can help you lose a couple of pounds from the belly in one night. Sounds amazing, right? This diet is so effective because apart from losing the extra pounds, it burns the belly fat and flattens the stomach. Additionally, it makes a detoxification and cleanses the blood in just 24 hours. It is important to keep in mind that the best thing about the diet is that it's based on teas, juices, and smoothies, which help eliminate waste from the body pretty fast. Like we said, this diet is very easy and simple. This is what you should do. 8 am. Drink 1 glass of warm water and lemon juice. 10 am. Drink 1 glass of water and apple or orange juice. 12 p.m. Drink 1 cup of green tea. 1 p.m. Drink 1 glass of cold water and carrot juice. 3 p.m. Drink a cup of tea of your choice. 5 p.m. Drink a fresh natural juice. 7 p.m. Drink 1 more cup of green tea. 9 p.m. Drink a glass of water and grapefruit juice. 10 p.m. Complete the day just like you started. Drink a glass of warm water and lemon juice. Keep in mind that it's extremely important not to add artificial sweeteners or extra ingredients in the juices and teas. Try the diet for 1 day and you'll have a flat stomach. Like we said, this diet will help you clean your organism from the toxic waste and you'll feel full of energy.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.